That's probably a good thing. If I were to say to you, what concerns, if you had a concern,
Right.
do you remember what that concern was?
No.
Was there
What
a
did you
concern?
do to me?
I want to tell you about something that this work does, and it's so frustrating on the one side for me, and on the other side it's so delightful. I call it the sun is shining.
Right.
And I may have told you about this the first time we talked. I had a client that I had helped get over some really serious stuff. Stuff that had been bothering her for 3 years, and she would wake up crying in the night. Every morning she woke up crying. She fell asleep crying. So through this work we got over that. The next time I saw her, she was here for something else. And I said to her, "You look 10 years younger."
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And she said, "Yeah, well, you know, it's spring and the sun is shining, and I took the dog for a walk in the park, and I just feel good." And I said, "Oh, really?" And because I know her really well, I was able to say to her, "And for the last 3 years, did the sun ever shine? Was it ever spring? Did you ever take Puppy into the park for a walk?" "Oh, yeah," she said. "You told me I was going to forget." And you do.
Wow.
It's blissful. You just forget. From my standpoint, if I'm going to get a testimonial, I better get it right away. Because sometimes people say, "Oh, that never was a problem." What are you talking about? I made all sorts of notes on what the person's problem was. Are you kidding me? The person said, "I never had a problem with it." So I'm like, give me my money back.
That's funny.
Yeah. So you want that. You